Evening, everyone. Thank you, Sachin San, for a wonderful session. I'm best C.D.O. I'm going to next after this session, and I will follow these 5 steps. Basically, quality guy, we have to keep the customer quality requirements. This is a added advantage for me to align in line with my regular activity, and I will follow the things. I'm grateful to as a CDO.
You are the best. Thank you so much. Santosh, you are a senior.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. BK Dhoob, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line, and if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.